Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Great Wall Steed, stock reference number 5478. Shape runs from the 7th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2021. It has a GW4D20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. GW4D20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, right hand daytime running light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand daytime running light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted chrome sports bar with all fittings, left hand tail light, tailgate has one small dent, tidy rear bumper bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, right hand tail light, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.